Alright, we're making our way down here, and it is one soft, muddy mess. Figure out where I gotta set up and check in with the plumber real quick. We'll get started. say that's far enough. Be lucky if I don't have to pull the truck out with the excavators. Okay, I'll kind of briefly go over this. Yeah, what ended up happening was that's still clay tile on the main, so they blew that liner in, which I don't know if we've got a piece of it laying around here or not, but so we had to cut the tile off, or the clay off, and then get in there and kind of sawzall out that liner and pull all that out. And then we just tied back on to where our old PVC, or our new PVC that we originally put into the clay, because that was all clay where that PVC was at. Take all the old clay out, put a coupler on the end of the existing PVC, and then slide it into the Fernco, and then slide that Fernco over that clay tee. So we're right in the main and everything now. And we did find out that 300 pair, which I remember it is the same one that I'd hit further up here, it's abandoned, so that's why it wasn't marked. The 50 pair I think is abandoned, but I'm not 100% sure. I know there's 2 more lines over there, and then that's an electrical line, which it was not marked, and I'm not sure, 'cause we didn't dig quite over that far. I don't think that was there when we put the sewer in, because I'd never found it unless it was something new that runs over to this other pedestal they have, but it was not located. Luckily there was sand and there was the yellow ribbon on there, so I knew something was there. And luckily I didn't hit it, but which I'm going to put, that's why I've got in the truck, is rock and screenings and stuff we can put back in here. So we'll try to get the rock in there dumped and get that kind of bedded back in. I got some more ribbon to put on top of that power line, and we'll see if we can't get this junk backfilled and cleaned up. Yeah, and here's all my strands of phone line, so nice and pretty. Well, we're gonna call this good for the day. It's extremely muddy and pumping really bad, so I gotta try to go through here and pick up the rocks on this guy's property. I'm gonna have to come back when it dries out some more and actually bring some decent dirt, but I just kind of tried to track it in today. But it's hard to do when it's mud, and you had, I don't know, about 30 gallons of water and sewage coming out, so. But we got it all patched back up, and I don't know, it came out better than what I thought it was going to, but it's still pretty rough, so. But for what we got to work with, this will definitely work. Let it dry out, come back with a little bit of dirt in the loader, and slick it right up.